Good morning students. I continue the second video for exercise number 5.5 question number 5. What is the question number 5? The parabolic cable of 6 meter. The parabolic, here also given the parabola. The parabolic cable of 6 meter portion of the road bed of a suspension bridge. Here the parabolic cable of a 6 meter portion of the roadbed of a suspension bridge are positioned as shown below. Below here the diagram also given nicely. So the diagram is given. What is the diagram? The vertical cables are to be spaced every 6 meter along this portion of the roadbed. Every portion of the roadbed. Calculate the length of the first of these two vertical cables from the vertex. See, listen here. This is the roadbed. This is nothing but what? A roadbed. Here, what is placed? These lines are tell about the what? Cable. The cable is placed. This is what? This is the parabolic cable. This is the parabolic cable. 60 meter portion of the roadbed. This is fully what? 60 meter. This is 60 meter. 60 meter. The distance between the two vertical cable. The distance between the two vertical cable is nothing but what? 6 meter. So what is the question asking? As you calculate the length of the first two of this vertical bed. Calculate the length of the first two of this vertical beds. The vertical cables are spaced every 6 meter along this portion of the roadbed. Calculate the length of the length of the first of these two vertical cables from the vertex. This is the vertex. From the vertex we are going to calculate the first what? Two cables. First of these two vertical cables. First cable, this is second cable. We are going to find the distance between the first two cables. So I listen, go through the diagram. I also draw the diagram. I explain now. Now see the diagram. From this is what axis? X axis. What is this? Y axis. From the roadbed. This is nothing but what? A roadbed. From the roadbed to the cable vertex. Parabolic cable is what? 3 meter height. So question itself, see the diagram. They given 3 meter roadbed distance. This is what? 3 meter is question itself, book itself given. So 16 meter also given. 30 meter wide, 60 meter wide also given. So I draw the diagram here. This is a parabolic cable. This is a, see the diagram. I draw the diagram clearly here. This is a parabolic cable. Vertex is what? 0, 3 because this is the roadbed. From the road to the cable is what? 3 meter height. Therefore, vertex is what? 0, 3. Vertex is 0, 3. The height of the cable end is what? 16 meter on both sides. See the diagram. 16 from the book also given. I will draw again also. This is what? 6 meter. This is also what? 6 meter. From the roadbed to the top of the parabolic path is what? 16 meter. Here also what? From the roadbed to top of the same 16 meter given on the both side. Next, width. This is what? 60 meter wide. This is what? 60 meter. 60 meters divided into 30 and 30. Because you see this. This is what axis? X axis. This is X axis. What is this? Y axis. So diagram is clearly understandable, easily able to do the sum. So now the vertex is not origin, 0, 3. Vertex is 0, 3. Now we are going to find the distance for y1 and y2. y1 and y2. See, distance between the vertex from the first cable is 6 meter. Again, vertex from the second cable is what? 6 plus 6, 12 meter. Because distance between the two cable is 6 meter, 6 meter. 6 meter, 6 meter. See the diagram properly. So, this is what? Parabolic cable. From the roadbed to the vertex is what? 0, 3. This is what is given? 6, y1. Though, this is what axis? This is x axis. This is what axis? Y axis. Therefore, the point C point is 6 comma y1. We are going to find the y1. Again, the vertex between from the vertex of the second cable, first 6, second 6, 6 plus 6 is added, we get what? E point. E is what? 12 comma y2. 12 comma y2. Listen carefully. This is what? PQ. PQ is the what? Road belt, parabolic cable of 60 meter portion of the water road, parabolic wide. This is the road bed. This is the height of the end of the cable. Distance between the two cable is what? 6 meter as well as 6 meter. So see the vertex. Vertex is what? H comma K. Vertex is H comma K. That is 0 comma 3. Equal to the parabola is what? Open upward. Not rightward, open upward. Equation of the parabola. Parabola equation what? Open upward. So the point A. A is what? 30 comma. How comes 16? This is height. See, this is what axis. So this the road belt is what? The 60 meter. Parabolic cable of 60 meter. So 60 meters divided what? 30, 30. Therefore, x-axis here 30, here also x-axis 30. Again, this is the height of the each end. So, this is what? Minus 16 because what is this one? Second pass. This is the first quadrant. This is nothing but what? Second quadrant. First quadrant, both are positive. X value positive, Y value also positive. For second quadrant, yeah, this is what? X comma minus 16. X comma minus 16. So this is what? Negative. This is the positive side. This is the negative side. We are going to find this side only because all are equally split into that one. So 30 comma minus 16. The diagram itself is given. So what is A is 30 comma minus 16 and the B point is what? 30 comma plus 16. The parabola is what? Open upward. Now equation of the parabola is x minus h the whole square equal to 4a into y minus k. X minus h the whole square equal to 4a into y minus k. Now the vertex is what? 0 comma 3. The given vertex is what? 0 comma 3. This is x and this is y. So instead of h, you substitute what? Instead of h comma k, not h comma k. X minus h. What is h value? 0. X minus 0 the whole square equal to 4a into y minus 3. Because equation of the parabola is not positive quadrant, the x is 0 comma 3. Therefore, x minus h the whole square equal to 4a into y minus k. X minus 0 the whole square equal to 4a into y minus 3. Now x square equal to 4a into y minus 3. This is given as equation 1. Since a the point A, what point we taken as B? 30 comma 16. See the point. The point 30 comma 16 lies on the parabola. Usually first we find the a value or 4a value. Easy calculate. Directly we substitute the 4a value. Because the first we are going to substitute the value in the 4a in the first equation. Therefore, the point B of 30 comma 16 lies on the parabola. 30 square equal to what? Instead of x you substitute 30. 30 square equal to 4a into 16 minus 3. Now 30 square equal to 4a into 16 minus 3 is nothing but what? 13. 4a equal to what? 30 square by 13. 4a equal to 30 square divided by 13. So we are going to substitute the 4a value in the what? Equation 1. Now to find the length of the first cable. To find the length of the first cable. Substitute C of 6 comma y1 in the equation. Length is nothing but what? Height of the first cable. See the diagram. This is 6 comma. The point C is what? 6 comma y1. We are going to find the length of the first cable. X is what? 6 meter. Y is what? y1. We are going to find the length of the first cable. Again we find the length of second cable is what? 12 comma y2. E point 12 comma y2. Therefore substitute C of 6 comma y1 in the equation of the parabola in equation 1. Now we are going to find the length of the first cable. What is the length of the first cable? The substitute C of 6 comma y1 because the C point 6 comma y1 in the equation 1. Now what is the equation 1? X square equal to 4a into y minus 3. X square equal to, instead of 4a, just now find what? 4a value is directly, without splitting a, just directly substitute the 4a value. 4a is nothing but what? 30 square by 13. 4a is 30 square by 13 into y minus 3. X is what? 6 square equal to 30 into 30 by 13 into y1 minus 3. Instead of y, we substitute what? y1, because C point is nothing but what? C point is what? 6 comma y1. This is first one is x, second one is y. So instead of x, we substitute 6, instead of y, substitute what? y1. Now 6 square equal to 30 into 30 divided by 13 into y1 minus 3. Now see the calculation part only. 36 square is what? 36. Now 30 into 30 come to downward. See that one come. Write the multiply with its reciprocal. 36 into 13 by 30 into 30 equal to y1 minus 3. After the cancellation, what do you get? After you cancel the value, what 1 3 is 3, what 1 3 is 3, 2 3 is 6. Again 1 3 is 3, what 4 3 is 12. 4 into for easy calculation, 4 into 13 is what 52, 10 into 10 is what 100. 52 by 100 equal to y1 minus 3. Now 52 by 100 is nothing but what? 0.52. 0.52 added with the minus 3 become this will come to the left hand side to become 1 plus 3. 0.52 plus 3 equal to y1. That is y1 is nothing but what? 3.00. Don't forget 3.00 added. So if somebody is using what? 0.52 plus 3 is 0.55. Now see 3.00 added with the what? 0.52. So what do you get? 3.52. 3.52. Therefore, y1 is nothing but what? 3.52, because the point C is what? 6 comma y1. So to find the length of the first cable, if you see the diagram, I draw the diagram, go through the diagram. This is we are going to find the height of the first cable. That is first to find the height of the first cable. So from the x-axis, from the vertex, this is what? The distance is what? 3 meter. 3 meter from the origin. The first cable is move 3 meter from the origin. That is therefore not 3 meter, 6 meter. 6 meter from vertex is only height is 3 meter, 0.3. From the roadway to the vertex is 3 meter. Here what? From the vertex to the first cable is what? What is the distance? The distance is 6 meter. Now we are going to find the height of the cable. Height of the cable is given as y1. Therefore C point is what? C 6 comma y1. So in equation, first equation substitute, we get the y1 value. Next we are going to find the second cable. What is the second cable? y2. Second cable height is what? y2. For vertex from the first cable is 6 meter. Again first cable to second cable distance is 6. Totally 6 plus 6 is what? 12 meter. Therefore the point E is nothing but what? 12 comma y2. y2 is nothing but what? Height of the we are going to find the height. Length means nothing but what? Height of the second cable. To find the height of the second cable. So after finding the length of the first cable 3.52 meter, we are going to find the length of the second cable. To find the length of second cable. To find the length of the second cable. What is the second cable length? The x value is 12 because 6 plus 6 is from the vertex to the first cable is 6 meter. Again. Now to find the length of the second cable, substitute E of 12 comma y2 in the equation 1. How come E point E is nothing but what? See that one. From the vertex to the first cable is 6 meter. From the vertex to the second cable is what? 6 meter. Because distance between the two cables, a book itself, question itself given 6 meter. So therefore 6 plus 6 is what? 6. This is 6 meter from the vertex. This also 6 meter. 6 plus 6 is nothing but what? 12. Therefore this is x-axis 12. y2 is need to find the length. Length is nothing but what? Height of the second cable. First find the length of the first cable. Next we find the length. Length is nothing but what? Height of the cable. So E point is what? 12 comma E. This is C. CD is the first cable. EF is the second cable. We only take the points. So we are going to find the second cable length. So E point is what? 12 comma y2. Substitute the point 12 comma y2 in the equation 1. So what is the equation? What is the equation 1? X square equal to 4a into y minus 3. X square equal to 4a into y minus 3. So substitute, instead of x you substitute what? 12. 12 square. Substitute 12 square equal to 30 by 13. 30. 4a is nothing but what? 30 square by 13 into y2 minus 3. y2 is the length of the second cable. 12 square is what? 144 equal to 30 into 30 by 13 into y2 minus 3. This is calculation part very easy for you. 144 into 13 by 30 into 30 equal to what? Y2 minus y3. Similarly, you cancel this one. What is this one? 1 3 is 3. Here what? 4 3s are 12. Balance is what? 2. Again what? 1 3 is 3. Here what? 1 3 is 3. 4 3s are 12. 1 3 is 3. Again see the calculation part. 1 3 is 3. 4 3s are 12. Balance to 8 3s are 24. Again because 10 into 10 means easy for the calculation part. Then only calculation part is able to make easy. Just don't want to simplify the whole value. 1 3 is 3. Keep it at 10. Here also 1 3 is 3. What? 1 3 is 3. 6 3s are 18. So 10 into 10. Denominator 10 into 10 is nothing but what? 100. 16 into 13 is what? 208. 208 by 100 equal to y2 minus 3. 208 to move the decimal places after 2 digits, we get what? 2.08. The minus 3 become what? Plus 3. Therefore, y2 equal to 2.08 plus 3. That is how to add 2.08 plus 3. 3 is nothing but 3.00. That is 5.08. Therefore, y2 is what? y2 equal to 5.208 meter. Therefore, the length of the second cable is what? 5.08 meter. So, from this diagram from the book, what is the? See the diagram. From the vertex to the length of the first cable is 3.52. Second cable is what? Second cable is 5.08. The question is asking calculate the. What is the question asking? Calculate the length of the first two of these vertical cables from the vertex. From the vertex, what is the length? Length is nothing but what? Height of the first two cables. Okay students, go through the diagram for in book as well as what I taught in the video class. I draw the diagram carefully. After start to do the sum. The calculation part is very easy. You draw the diagram only properly. Either go through the diagram. This is the road bed. From A to B is what is 60 meter. This is split into 60 meters, split into 30. Next, this is height is given in 16 meter. Therefore, from the vertex, this is 30. Height is what? 16. Here 30. Height is what? 30 minus 16. Plus, minus, positive, negative. 30 comma minus 16. So, x 30, y minus 16. Next, again what? This is what? From the vertex. Vertex from the road bed, the vertex is what? 3 meter height. So, vertex is 0, 3. This is what? 6. The distance between from the vertex to the cable is, first cable is 6 meter. Distance between each two cable is also 6 meter. Therefore, just we are going to find the C of 6, y1. y1 is nothing but what? Length of the first cable. E point is what? 6 plus 6 is 12. 12, y2. y2 is nothing but what? Length of the second cable. So, go through the diagram properly. The calculation very easy. Do the sum properly. Thank you, students.